Good morning, everyone. So, we will be discussing here about Ola. Ola, it's a online lending application. Marami ang nakaka-receive ng mga offer via SMS, email, or even call. So, ano nga ba si Ola? So, for me, Ola will help us to pay our debt, personal and emergencies, and other reasons. And it is a relief to us as a borrower. But there's a but there. Ano nga ba ang mga pros and cons nito? Nakakatulong ba to o nakakatrauma? So let's talk about the advantages first. So advantages nito is it can be download sa phone or even tab and you can access it to your PC. At meron din namang nagme-message sila so that you can download the app kasi mostly wala doon sa Play Store. And you will really think magiging harm ba to sa phone mo, di ba? And it can be friendly user. No need for you to go back to apply. So less hassle, less requirements. And no need for you to ask or beg someone to lend you the needed money. However, ano nga ba ang disadvantage nito? So, ma-access nila ang contacts mo, social media, etc. Kasi, when you register to their app, it will ask you to allow the camera, the location, and even the SMS. And then, mahihilo ka sa kanilang tab feature. So, in the app, meron po silang mga tab. So, pasikot-sikot kasi yung tab. So, marami sa kanilang ganyan. So, walang privacy sa kanila. So, di nila kilala si data privacy. Parang, parang tinitake advantage nila yung information mo. So, tatawag at manghara sila kahit weekend pa yan. So, you will beg them to stop calling you, but they won't stop you. So, mananakot sila na sa perang hiniram mo, na scammer ka daw, mangungutang. So, they will contact your contact references and even go into your social media. And take note, magpo-post pa yan ng picture mo na in memories of scammer to, parang ganyan. So, ano ba ang dapat gawin? So, for me, based sa experience ko, I have coordinated with them via email but still receiving threats. But I don't know if sila nga ba kasi kiniklaim nila na hindi naman nila tinetolerate yung mga agent nila. But let's see. So, may iba naman sumasali sa mga GC na lumalaban against sa mga OLA. May iba, may bayad. Meron namang free. So, this one, based sa experience ko, may iba kasi humihingi ng verification like your ID para daw ma-check kung legit ka ba o meron naman pong humihingi ng bayad. But again, for me lang po, if you know that someone harassing you, I suggest po to go to to download and print the National Privacy Commission form. We will tackle that one later on. Okay?